Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. We're about to make a killer grilled cheese. Why do I say killer? That's because we're going to use Dave's Killer Bread. If you've never seen it before, it is all organic, non-GMO, and contains 21 whole grains and seeds. I originally found this recipe on the Dave's Killer Bread website. It originally contained peaches, Gouda, and red onion. Well, we're going to mix things up here a little bit because I couldn't find peaches in New York at this time of year. We're going to use some apples, Gouda, and Big Lou's sweet onion sauce. Let's show you how to make it.